Learning something new is not without its challenges. And even though HubSpot is very intuitive, sometimes you need a little extra help to get you past a specific challenge. This video shows you exactly where to go to find that help so you don't give up and you keep on learning HubSpot. This will help you learn the platform faster, but also help you grow better. So check it out. First things first, make sure that you are logged into your HubSpot portal. And anytime that you need help with HubSpot, you will always have this help button at the bottom right side of your screen. Clicking it will open up a new panel and will help you with a few things. The first thing that you'll notice is you can search the knowledge base. Now this, of course, will be HubSpot's knowledge base. This will be much better than a Google search. Depending upon which page you are on, when you click the help button, this will give you suggestions, the top searches for the subject matter of the page. And then finally, depending upon your HubSpot tier and service level, you may see the following 3 items. If you're on the free tier, you'll only see this Ask the Community. Now let's start there. Ask the Community will open up a new page, and what you'll see is you can go to the community home, which is community.hubspot.com, or you can go to the specific communities depending upon the product information that you're searching for. You can go to the CRM and Sales Hub, Marketing Hub, or Service Hub. You can also see who are the experts that are on the community. If you have an idea that could make HubSpot better, go ahead and suggest it in the ideas forum. And then finally, if you're a developer, there are specific places that developers can go to receive some help and connect with other users who are building on HubSpot. And so this is a great place to start. Many times, if you just post your question, you will receive an answer within a day or two from the experts. And sometimes this is better because the experts that are on the HubSpot community aren't necessarily working for HubSpot, but rather they have implemented HubSpot in some way in their business. This is a great way to get some real world advice from people that are using HubSpot. And who knows, somebody may have implemented HubSpot in the same way that you have and can easily answer your question. Now, let's go back for a second here. Go to view your support inbox. This will take you directly to your support inbox where you can view the tickets. You can show just your tickets or just show all tickets. Of course, this is a test portal, so there aren't any tickets in here. However, if someone else on your team had a question and they went through a support ticket with HubSpot and you have the same question, that answer can be saved here. This is another great place to find the information that you are looking for, especially as it applies to your people and your organization. So make sure that you check through the open tickets, the closed tickets. If you have a common question within your organization, I would put that in the favorites part of your support inbox. This way, everyone can easily find it and find the answer that they're looking for. Let's go back to help for the last one. And now you can contact support. Again, depending upon your tier, you will see different examples here. So chat will, of course, be one of the fastest ways to get an answer almost instantaneously. If you have HubSpot call you, they will call you within the next 5 minutes and you can speak live with someone from HubSpot. And then finally, email, they usually get back to you within 1 working day. And whenever you have questions with HubSpot, do not give up. Find the answer that you need. Of course, this will help you adopt HubSpot faster and help your business grow better.